Welcome to my channel Tech Tic Tac Toe. Today we will learn a program on Python. You will find the problem statement in the description section of this video. First you try to do the solution on your own, then view this video for solution. Now let's start. This is our problem. Write a program to take the number from the user and put it in an array and take the size of the array from the user. Finally, print the sum of odd numbers and sum of even numbers in the list. So first we have to take the size of the array. So here this is a list. We have declared a list in this way. Then we are taking the size of the list from user. So here input, enter the size of the list. As we know that in Python every input from console is a string, so we have to convert it into integer. So integer, then input, enter the size of the list, then it will take the input, then for I in range 0 to n, so I will be from 0 to n minus 1. So we are taking the numbers for this range. So num equal to, again we have to convert it into integer, enter list elements. So we will take the numbers from the console and then convert it into integer. So numbers are there, and in this loop we are appending the numbers in the list. So for each of the numbers we are taking from this console, we are appending to the list. Now we have to sum the numbers. So we are initializing odd equal to 0, even equal to 0. Then for I in a list, so for each of the elements in the a list we have to check if I modulo 2, that means the remainder of the 2 of this division, the index, the element in the list divided by 2 is remainder is not equal to 0, that means 1. So then this number is odd, so odd plus equals to the element. Otherwise we have to do this even plus equals to, that means even plus even equal to even plus the element. So in this way we can add the numbers odd plus equals to I and even plus equals to I. So for each of the element in the list we have to do this checking. This is the main checking, that is if it is odd or not. If the remainder of this division is not equal to 0, it is odd, so odd equal to odd plus 1. Then finally we will print odd sum equal to odd and even sum equal to even. Now let's try. Enter the size of the list. Now we are giving this as 6. Now list elements 32, 12, 43, 53, 11, 10, 26. So 32, 12, 10, 26 are even numbers, and odd numbers are 53 and 11. So we can check that 53 and 11, this means 64. So odd sum is 64, and after adding 32, 12, 11, 32, 12, 10 and 26, we can get 80. So this is our final results. So we can run on another example. Let the list size is 3. We are giving it 10, 23, 5. So even sum is 10 and odd sum is 28. Again another example. 4, 23, 11. We are giving only the odd numbers, 5, 7. So here even sum is 0 and odd sum is 46. So in this way this program will run. I think you all understand the solution. Let me know the problems you faced when you try to do this in your own. If you find this video useful, subscribe to my channel and like and share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching this video.